All right, ladies and gentlemen, now we are going to start one more 60-second session with our new guest. What's your name?
My name is Momen.
Thank you. This is Naim, and I'm going to ask you 10 short questions in this very session. The first one that I'd like to ask you is mobile or telephone?
Mobile, because every day I use mobile phone.
Thank you. Storybooks or novel?
Storybooks, I read storybooks from childhood.
Excellent. Laptop or desktop?
Laptop, because
Laptop or desktop?
laptop because it is convenient to use and it is carry too easy.
Excellent. Football or cricket?
Football is a popular game in the world. Sometimes I play football.
Excellent. Pen or pencil?
Pencil, it is right, easy to smooth.
Very good. City or village?
Village, my family and relatives live there.
Very good. Friends or family?
Actually, both are important in my life, but family comes first.
Okay. Job or business?
Obviously, a business. One day I will do the job and I will give job to another person.
Movie or drama?
Drama, because I can watch short time.
Excellent. Honda or cycle?
Cycle, I rode cycle for 6 years and I had no Honda, so I like cycle.
Thank you. Thank you very much for your answers.